VAST Point of Sale 9.0.1250, also known as VAST Patch Number 141, New Features and Functionality. Some of the new features and functionality that are available in this release are the color coding from the AutoCAD catalog or from vItem Broker for local inventory. To demonstrate this feature, I'm going to go into Phone Quote and select Quick Item Quote. From the work order screen, I simply right-click and AutoCAD. From AutoCAD, the flyout menu, you'll see that you have 6 options here: vItem Broker, Parts, Labor, Scheduled Maintenance, Buyer's Guide, and Interchange. The Buyer's Guide and Interchange are 2 new features that have been added to VAST Point of Sale in the recent patches. I'll get into those in just a moment. For starters, I'm going to go to vItem Broker. I'll select a 2010 Ford Edge for this demonstration. From the part category lookup, I'll select Ignition and Engine Filters and double-click on Engine Filters and PCV. You'll notice that it highlights local inventory on the top left-hand corner of my screen from vItem Broker, and immediately you see color coding associated with the products that have a positive quantity on hand. This clearly shows me that I have Hastings filters in my inventory that fit this year make and model vehicle. We see the yellow bright color coding listed here with quantity available, cost, and selling price. This color coding has been added to this release of VAST for the vItem Broker screen, as well as from the AutoCAD screen. If I click on the AutoCAD tab in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, obviously I see the same results. I have Wix filters and Hastings filters listed as my primaries or my preference manager selections. From the AutoCAD tab or the vItem Broker tab, when you're highlighted on local inventory, we have also added the All Lines capability. This gives you the ability to select any supplier line on the fly, whether they've been added to your preference manager or not. And you have the ability to click on All Lines, and it displays a list of all supplier lines that would fit this year make and model vehicle. I'll select Service Champ, Valvoline, and maybe Service Pro. You can select up to 10 different suppliers, click on Search, and it now displays for me all of the part numbers and descriptions from Service Champ, Service Pro, and Valvoline. Again, it recognizes any part numbers that I have in stock and highlights those with a bright yellow. I can go back to local catalog, and now it shows me just the product lines that are available based on my local preferences. You also have the All Lines capability from the AutoCAD tab. When in AutoCAD, it will always default to local catalog or local preferences. Again, from here, you'll see that you have the All Lines capability, where you have the same function where you can select any brand, product. I could select Mighty from here, and maybe I'll grab Mobile Filters and hit Search. And it's asking me some specific vehicle conditions or qualifiers. And it's showing me all of the different Mighty products now. Scroll down, and I also see the Mobile Filter products as well. Last thing that I want to point your attention to is the Interchange button. From the bottom of the AutoCAD catalog, you have the ability to put a check mark on any one of the filters. In this instance, I'm going to go back to my local catalog, and I will select the Hastings LF641 filter. By putting a check mark on that, we have an interchange function. I can put a check mark on Hastings and click OK, and it shows me a list of alternate suppliers, part numbers, that would fit this year make and model vehicle. I can simply click back, and I can close out of my catalog. That was the interchange. That is also available from the right-click menu, AutoCAD, and Interchange. I can pull that up at any point in time. I can type in a part number manually here if I'd like, LF641, search, put a check mark on the filter product, and again, it displays for me a list of alternate suppliers and part numbers that would fit that year, make, and model vehicle. I'll right-click again, and this time I want to show you the Buyer's Guide capability. In this instance, I'm going to type in that part number once again. So any valid part number, LF641, search. It recognized that part number as a Hastings oil filter. If I put a check mark on that and click OK, it displays for me a list of all of the year, make, and model vehicles that oil filter would fit, all of the applications. I could click on back and put in a different part number, or I can simply close and I'm back at my work order screen. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you require more information, please contact customer support or our sales team at area code 610-336-9045. Thank you.